Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will explore what artificial intelligence or AI cannot replace. I'd like to know your thoughts and answers in the comments below. And before we begin, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to slowly grow your problem-solving mindset and skill set. Now, let's begin. I've broken this question of what can AI or artificial intelligence not replace into three separate factors. And today we will explore or focus on the final part, or factor number 3, and its root causes. And so factor number 3 of what AI cannot replace in the workplace is making decisions on behalf of leaders. See, the biggest thing that many get confused about the subject of AI is that it will not replace our thought process, but instead it will help us in our thought process. But on its own, it cannot make decisions, rather make recommendations that leaders can use to make better judgments, right? And to understand this better, let's dive into the first root cause, which is the fact that AI is often, getting a lot of bad reputation from those who are fearful about their place in the workplace. While it's true that technology or technological advances will replace jobs, the demand for skills to operate these technologies will only go up, right? While AI cannot replace every job, employees who decide to be agile and learn new skills will always stay relevant and in demand. Now, let's look at the second root cause of why AI cannot replace leaders, which is because of the fact that AI has a different purpose. It's true that AI increases the capability of analyzing data and painting a big picture. And while this will only help leaders make better decisions by leveraging the power of big data and analytics, AI or artificial intelligence will not replace the decision makers, right? Instead, it will make the decision-making process easier for our leaders in the workplace. And these are the pieces that make up the third factor. Now, from the 30,000 feet level, this is what the big picture looks like. But before we wrap up, I have a question for you. Do you think AI will make the decision-making process easier, or will it replace decision makers altogether? I want you to think about it and leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this exercise, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel to keep rethinking your approach about more problem-solving questions. I'll see you in the next problem-solving exercise.